Kent Rain, reporting live from the Nugget of Truth Festival. We've got lots of heady peeps here, so I guess when everybody heard that it's free, they decided to come in droves. Well, we're still not at capacity, so if you have it in mind to come, please do. With that being said, I have a list of contests to announce. First off, the best tiny tie-dye contest. In this, the winner is the best tiny tie-dyed baby tee. Second, the Bodacious Bud Contest. This contest is where each participant showcases their best friend. And last but not least, the Far Out Fam Contest. In this, we decide who has the most far out fam. Well, I guess that's all for now. There will be some more contests to be announced, but until then, Kent Rain, live from the Nugget of Truth Festival, signing off. Have a happy and healthy day.